Virtually everyone you know is making real money from YouTube, and you are not. Would you also love to know how to make money from YouTube? In this video, I will share with you ways of monetizing your YouTube account so you can smile at the bank. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for more tech-related content ideas. So, without wasting time, let's get started. No doubt, YouTube has come to stay. It is the most effective, efficient, and functional visual video display social media platform that presently exists. People have fallen so much in love with this platform that they have made it a tool for expressing their thoughts, emotions, worries, complaints, contributions, critics, etc. YouTube has recently become a platform utilized by many for teaching, entertaining, informing, etc. It is now a handy research tool. It is incredible how hardly any topic you search for on YouTube that you don't see thousands of videos on. What else can be said about this platform other than what was initially meant for fun, entertainment, and education has gotten many people who know how to work their way around rich and smiling to the bank as they laze around doing what they have a passion for. Many people who have seen others making money on YouTube have taken out time to learn this lucrative craft and begin to take advantage of it by deliberately putting up creative content and uploading it to the platform. Though many people have made a fortune being YouTube influencers, all these did not go without hard work and intelligent work. You have heard a lot of people mention the amount of money they make from YouTube on a monthly or yearly basis, and you are amazed, but yet you still don't know how it is done. And you are willing to go to any length to know how they performed this magic. So, if you would love to be one of those making money from YouTube videos, I suggest you key into these valuable tips that will teach you how to monetize your YouTube account. They are, number 1, partner with YouTube and make money from ads. The moment you have been able to amass a total of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you become eligible to become a YouTube partner. Being a partner means that you can set up a monetization structure. This is done in the following way. 1. When logged into your account, click the top right corner that displays My Account. 2. Click on YouTube Studio. 3. Click on the left menu. Click on Other Features Monetization. 4. Read and agree to the terms and conditions attached to the partnership program. 5. Create a new AdSense account or connect your existing one to your channel. This helps you get paid. 6. Set your preference in terms of monetization. 7. Go back to the left side of your dashboard and click on the Analytics tab. 8. Choose Revenue. 9. Scroll down to the monthly estimated revenue chart. This will give you an idea of future expected revenue. Now that you are done with these steps, you must understand that your number of video views does not guarantee payment, but rather the amount of time the ad attached to your video gets clicked on and watched for at least 10 to 30 seconds is what guarantees you get paid. Maybe the primary source of making money on YouTube, but if you are a YouTube Premium member, you can also earn through the following ways. Fan funding. Fan funding is an involved capitalization on your followers' number to appeal for fundraising to support specific projects or for donations for a worthy cause. For example, you could do a fundraising to purchase new sets of digital gadgets needed for producing your content. And your subscribers, who enjoy and love the concept of your content, will not decline from supporting you. You must know that there is power in the population. You could also pursue a worthy cause by organizing fundraising for the orphanage or for a victim who needs to be operated upon, or even for your personal need. They will support you. After all, they enjoy your content for free. Selling merchandise or product. You can become a middleman and do affiliate marketing or drop shipping. You use the traffic generated from your subscribers' audience to sell essential commodities they will need on behalf of different companies that manufacture them. You get paid a commission per sale. These commodities could include fashionable bags, clothes, household appliances and devices, coffee mugs, etc. The concept involved in this is that you have used your brand to build another brand. What you need for this to be possible is 1. You must have won the trust of your audience, and 2. Have a content engine that continually drives traffic to your store. Licensing your media contents. Suppose any of your videos go viral and loved by many. In that case, you can leverage that opportunity to obtain a license or patent for it, so organizations and individuals who would love to use it for advertising their goods or services, or for their shows and another showcase, can purchase this right from you before they can use it. This is like buying a franchise. Becoming a brand ambassador or online influencer for organizations. When, as a content creator, you can win your audience's loyalty, and then companies will be eager to sign you as an ambassador or an influencer because they know you can push their services and products to your already thrilled subscribers and followers. As a brand ambassador, you are entitled to robust remunerations, preferential treatments, and free commodities. Being an influencer is one of the best and most significant opportunities to earn big from YouTube. Now that you have learned valuable tips that will help you become a big earner with YouTube, I hope you would implement them. Sure, it was fun, educative, and informative watching this video. If it was, don't hesitate to subscribe and consistently watch our videos. Thanks.